Fallen angels. Investment-grade bonds downgraded to junk status. In the world of credit analysis, fallen angels represent a critical phenomenon that every bond investor needs to understand. These are bonds that have experienced a significant change in their credit quality, moving from a safer investment category to a riskier one. Understanding fallen angels helps investors navigate the complexities of the bond market and identify both risks and opportunities in fixed-income investing. Fallen angels are bonds that were originally rated as investment grade, meaning they had a credit rating of BBB- or higher, but have since been downgraded to junk status, which means a rating of BB+ or lower. This downgrade happens due to deteriorating creditworthiness of the bond issuer. When a company's financial health weakens, credit rating agencies like Standard & Poor's, Moody's, or Fitch reassess the company's ability to repay its debt. If they determine the risk has increased significantly, they lower the bond's rating below the investment grade threshold. This transition from investment grade to junk status is what creates a fallen angel. There are several key reasons why bonds become fallen angels. First, financial distress occurs when a company experiences declining revenues, rising debt levels, or poor operational performance that weakens its overall financial health. Second, industry challenges can impact entire sectors through disruptions, increased competition, or regulatory changes that affect all companies in that industry. Third, excessive leverage becomes a problem when companies take on high debt burdens from acquisitions, leveraged buyouts, or expansion projects that strain their cash flows. Finally, economic downturns, such as recessions or periods of market volatility, can reduce profitability across the board and increase the risk of default for many companies simultaneously. When a bond becomes a fallen angel, it creates significant market effects. The most immediate impact is forced selling pressure. Investment-grade bond funds are typically restricted by their mandates to only hold investment-grade securities. When a bond is downgraded to junk status, these funds must sell their holdings, creating immediate downward pressure on the bond's price. This leads to the second effect, higher yields. As bond prices decline sharply, the yields spike to reflect the increased credit risk and new junk status. However, this also creates the third effect, opportunities for investors. High-yield bond investors and hedge funds can acquire these bonds at significantly discounted prices if they believe the issuer has potential to recover and eventually be upgraded back to investment-grade status. Understanding the credit rating scale is essential to grasp the fallen angel concept. The investment-grade category includes four main rating levels: AAA, which is the highest quality, AA, representing very strong credit quality, Single A, indicating strong credit quality, and BBB, which is the lowest investment-grade rating. The critical threshold is BBB-. When a bond drops from BBB- to BB+, it crosses from investment grade into high-yield or junk status. Below this threshold, the high-yield category includes BB, Single B, CCC, CC, and Single C ratings, with each step down representing increasing levels of credit risk and higher probability of default. Investors can approach fallen angels with several strategic perspectives. Value hunting involves buying fallen angels at discounted prices when fundamental analysis suggests the issuer has potential for recovery and possible future upgrade. Risk assessment is crucial. Investors must analyze whether the downgrade reflects temporary issues that can be resolved or permanent structural problems that indicate long-term decline. Due diligence requires thoroughly evaluating the company's cash flows, debt levels, management quality, and industry outlook before making any investment decision. Finally, portfolio diversification is essential when investing in fallen angels. By spreading investments across multiple fallen angels rather than concentrating in just one or two, investors can mitigate the risk that any single issuer might default. Investing in fallen angels comes with significant risks that must be carefully considered. The primary concern is default risk. Since the credit quality has already deteriorated enough to trigger a downgrade, there is a higher probability that the issuer might miss interest payments or even file for bankruptcy. The second risk is further downgrades. A fallen angel's rating can continue to decline if conditions worsen, leading to additional price drops and losses for investors. The third major risk involves liquidity concerns. Fallen angels may become harder to sell quickly in the market, and investors who need to exit their positions may be forced to accept significant price discounts to find buyers. These risks make fallen angels suitable primarily for experienced investors who can thoroughly analyze credit risk and tolerate potential losses. Let's summarize the essential points about fallen angels. First, fallen angels are bonds that have been downgraded from investment grade to junk status due to deteriorating credit quality of the issuer. Second, these downgrades trigger forced selling by investment-grade funds that are restricted from holding junk bonds, creating significant price volatility but also potential opportunities for high-yield investors. Third, while fallen angels offer higher yields that can be attractive, they come with substantially increased default risk and the potential for further downgrades if the issuer's situation continues to worsen. Fourth, successful investing in fallen angels requires thorough fundamental analysis, understanding of recovery potential, and appropriate risk tolerance. Understanding fallen angels is crucial for navigating credit market dynamics and making informed decisions in fixed income investing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.